Hey guys, it is almost 9 o'clock at night. I have truck at 6:30 in the morning and a very long day tomorrow, but I've been really wanting to get into some more creative eyeshadow looks, and one of my friends from Ohio, actually, she requested that I do some like fall looks incorporating, well, fall Halloween looks incorporating purples and greens and oranges and black. I'm really nervous about it, but I want to try. So we're just gonna come up with a quick look. I have several palettes that I think that I can make many different fall looks out of. For today's look, I think I'm going to play with the Morphe 35O Nature Glow palette. Norvina look coming soon, I promise. I know I keep saying that and then never doing it, but I mean to. I think I've done one look using this palette. There are a lot of cool tone browns and some really rich, warm browns and reds, some beautiful shimmers. So I'm going to try to go into a lot of these warm orangey colors. Before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I upload generally 3 times a week. With school and work, sometimes I don't quite get 3 videos ready, filmed, and edited in time, but I upload as often as I can. With that, let's get into it. My hair is unbearably staticky today, and I don't know why. It's so fluffy. So we're gonna... Just gonna kind of push it back. It's a good look, huh? I need additional lights because it's very dark in here without any natural lighting. I'm going to take the shade Up Front. I'm just going to blend that all over the eye to set the primer. This is the JH30 from the Jaclyn Hill Master Collection brush set. Next, I'm going to take Bake on the same brush. I've been meaning to delve into this palette more, but I have not. I mean to, but I didn't. Choco. I'm going to take Sting on the JH36. And I'm just going to start blending this right over the top of the shades that we just put down. Not really sure what I'm doing today, but we're just gonna roll with it. This mirror is so dirty, like I can't even see what I look like. It's a problem. I'm going to take Extra on the same brush. I'm really liking this Extra color. It's kind of a deep pumpkin orange color. On the JH41, I'm going to take Sizzle and put that on the inner third of the eye. bossy. Then I'm going to take Riches on the same brush, and this is going to go into the outer third, outer V of the eye. A little bit of depth, a little bit of dimension. I'm going to take Pop, which is a gorgeous color. And this is going to be our highlighting shade. It's like a wet highlight. So pretty. Blend again. Blend again. We're gonna try something, and if I screw this up, I'm gonna be really sad. Well, first I'm going to put on, no, let's just do this here. Okay. I'm going to take the Ulta Beauty Cream Eyeshadow and Liner. This is in the shade Blacklist. I got this in my most recent Ulta haul, which I'll link up here for you. And I'm going to lightly, kind of messily line my eyes. Well, that was a lot. Okay. We're gonna do this slowly. Because there isn't a true black in the 35O palette, I'm going to go into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault and take the shade Temptress. On this Real Techniques smudge brush, I'm going to smudge my lash line out. Okay. I'm going to do my foundation and concealer, and I'll be back. Just taking off my ColourPop No Filter powder that's been set in the face. So let's go back into the 35O, and on the JH36, I want to take Extra. I really kind of just pack it on there, and then we'll blend it out. I want to have a lot of orange on the under eye. With the JH37, a little bit shorter, just kind of stamping that on there. Building up that pigment as much as possible. was dreaming of a way, all the world just going blind. So yeah, I'm just smoking this out super far. I'm going to take that cream eyeshadow slash liner and take it right underneath. Again, just gonna smoke it out using Temptress from the Dark Magic palette. Wow, it's really hot in here. Ah! Whoa. Shit. So the black on top is kind of faded away. I think some of my translucent powder got on it. Just gonna carefully go over it again with black. Very lightly so it doesn't look like I did a line of black. Highlighting the inner corner with Pop on the JH42. It's kind of a perfect kind of peachy champagne. It is very late at night. I'm going to take this Ulta Gel Eyeliner. This is in the shade Golden Egg. I think it adds just a really nice subtle pop to the waterline. And now, mascara. Oh yes, let's put black mascara in my eyebrow. That is a good look for me. Please. Okay. Mascara is on. It is an arduous kind of process for me to get my mascara just how I like it. And bronze up. And I'm thinking this look is going to need a lot of highlighter. Excuse me. For my Morphe 9B, I'm going to take this kind of coral peachy shade and I'm going to mix it with this mauve shade down here on the bottom with my Morphe E4. Both of these are matte blushes as per personal preference. Man, full beat at 9:30 at night. Really? I can't think of who I was. It just makes me want to cry, cry, cry. Cry, cry. I can't look back. Can't look too far ahead. Got the point. Got the message. We're gonna go in with a few colors for highlight today. First, from the ColourPop Got Me Beamin' highlighting palette, I'm going to take Please Do on my Luxie tapered highlighter brush. A little bit of Mary Luminizer from the Balm, which is a beautiful beaming highlight. Get that nose highlight going. Looking wet. That's what I'm going for here, is a nice wet highlight. To match the eyebrow highlight, I am going to take just the tiniest bit of pop. So that's 3 highlighters. Well, that nose highlight is beaming. That's crazy. I don't usually do crazy nose highlights because I get very oily very quickly. Setting everything with my Maybelline Fit Me powder on the JH01. Whoa, that's so glowy. Holy cow. I'm never this glowy. And I really like it. Always worried about the nose though, because my nose gets really oily, so it'll look this shiny in a few hours by itself. Okay, gotta figure out a lip. That's the final step here. Is what lip should I wear? I want to go for a deep brown red. I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip. This is in the shade Noirishing Plum. That looks terrible. Just because my overdraw is crazy. Okay, I'm going to go with the Morphe Liquid Lipstick in Bloodshot. It's all over my teeth. Well, that kind of turned into an accidental ombre lip, but I'm not mad about it. That is it for this extremely glowy fall vampy look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed creating with you today. One day I'll figure out how to do good liquid lipstick. My mouth is completely uneven right now. Shit. Anyway, we're gonna call that done. I hope you guys had a good time. I hope you have a wonderful night. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel before you go. There will be a lot more fall-inspired looks coming your way. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Whoa. Bye! Okay, I'm going to finish up, or I'm going to do, Don't make me laugh, I'll choke.